just like to learn this. But I don't know how to share the screen, so it's fun. Ah, okay. 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 I just learned about variables first. Okay, just learn variables first. Okay, we have to specific key to remember. There are some primitive types. Byte, short, integer, long integer. There, we have like this. Smallest value and largest value. We need to know short float, real numbers, precision floating point, and double for double precision floating point. Boolean, okay, and character. Clearly, three rules. Only alphabetic characters. AZ, yeah. Digits, connecting characters, no silent name construct with digit. Reserved word, Shavaki. Is associated. Maybe I think I should share it. Just learn things. Okay, so and also we have this reserved words. Specifically in Java, okay, like abstract reserved Boolean, yeah, break, blind case, check, class, const, continue, default. Oh, default, okay. Finally, allowed for code. If the most important instance of interface, native new no package, private, protected, public, return, short, static, strict F, P, super, switch, screen synchronized, distro, truth, transient, true, try, void, volatile, while yield var, okay, and then variable declarations. Choose menu names, of course. We usually use the camel case. Yes. Key name camel case or Pascal case, and camel case about dromedary case. But key double decimal is not primitive types. Okay, smaller divisor. Print line. Also with the double average. User decimal separator not for scientific notation. Long must end with the letter L in capital L. Of int, we have million. Float for F and capital F. String would be included in the vocals. And the final variable for something that can change after it is initialized. And also there are all of the things you need to operators like assignment. It is value equals 7 for instance, calculation, some abstracts, subtract, multiply, okay, comparison. We have like some modulus divided with increment, post increment, pre increment, like plus a, for instance, plus 1 is 2. Modulus increment. For instance, we have like int I equal 10 and number is equal plus plus I. So the value of the number is 10 plus plus 10 is 11 and the value of I is at the start is 11. But if it's like I plus plus, so the value number of first is 10 and the I is 11. Yeah. Also with those and or two pipelines or exclamation for option like true it is true if it is this and false. Okay, plus equals like um, option one plus equal option two is option one equal option one plus option two. Okay. System of the printer line. Okay, we have operator dot for object probably used to create a qualified name. Array used to create arrays and access the elements. Parameters represent a list of parameters that becomes type value. Changes a certain value to certain type. New object. Create new objects on your array. Okay, instance of okay. Use true if object is an object of class as a one of its classes. Okay, some shortcut for logical and or shift instance of unary operators, postfix operators, assignment, some coordinate. Oh yeah, expressions when some is a construct made of literals, variables, operators, or method calls that evaluates to a single value. So there's a expression, but with single value. Then there's a statement, a declaration statement, a sign statement. It's not a calculate things. Method to call is a sum statement. This is single value expression, like maybe true, false, which make things happen. Math PI is like assignment. Okay, like flow control. Logical if switch and loop to file island for okay. First we have this declaration. Declaration. Okay. Expressions. They are just equal one to can see three code blocks. They are expressions. They are no, they are statements from all of the thing. Now okay, scope. Okay, maybe I will learn to do exercises. This should be fine. Okay, to this we need to use intelligent. And this file, write the program has VAT to monitor recur. Place the VAT exclusive amount from the net to VAT. Default into the following data should divide 80 percentage. We have this. Okay, we have to enter a VAT percentage, so it should be included as anything to public class and public static void string arrays. Okay, there's nothing much. After that, we need to enter a VAT percentage. So we create a scan keyboard, new scanner system in percentage, so it's float. The amount may not include VAT, so amount float also and choices to indicate whether it is exclusive or inclusive. Okay, so display error message. Okay, so like this guy system out print enter the VAT percentage. Sure. Next, VAT percentage keyboard next float as we use float like this. Then system and then amount in euro amount equal keyboard next float. We can also like float VAT percentage equal keyboard next float like this. Also in make it so it should be clear. Okay. What for inclusive and for exclusive? If it's inclusive, we'll first run flow include flow exclusive. If it's inclusive, so we need to count it into this. Okay, if it's inclusive, we have amount at first. This one inclusive is equal to the amount. It's okay. Understand this. And then we have exclusive. With this, we need to calculate that inclusive is multiplied by 2. This actually I do not understand this. Like if we have 21 percentage, VAT percentage is 21. We have amount is 121. Okay, just think. Okay, at first, like we have amount of 221 and we have VAT percentage of 21. So we need to calculate for the exclusive. I think so. Is that what we need to do? Sorry. We need to increase one to yeah, but need to count for the exclusive. Okay, but it's still fine. You don't have to count for it because we have inclusive. So that we need to count for the exclusive. First we have this. This is include. So that we need to can oh yeah, I see need to divide it to the exclusive. It is Oh no, we need to cut this. Slide is not inclusive. Maybe this 1 to 1 is equal to exclude. $100 plus 20 plus VAT like this. And if you like to exclusive these times, we will like this is include as in. Okay, but we need to because we need to count for exclusive for this. And then we need to then also do this. I just need to do this inclusive multiplied by 100%. It is 100%. Yeah, we need to use 100, which is defined because we know it gives you a percentage in this too, so it is okay to write only 100. It's fine. And then, okay, that's what we do now. Okay, sure, it's correct. What is the sense here is going to create to enter the things, VAT percentage and the amount, and in take the choices, then there's inclusive or exclusive, and that the things we need to do now is to use if for if as if we enter one, it's inclusive, so we need to count for exclusive. If we enter two for exclusive, we write for to count for the inclusive, and if we type order, it should be invalid choice. And then that's all of this text, but we can go through the code. Also we need to remember the format. Printf, we need to remember this printf. Okay, for the printf, dollar, sure, it's fine. And with dot percentage dot one f, percentage dot one f is for float. Dot percentage for dot one is that only one character after the dot separator. Okay, VAT. Backslash n just for down the lines. Okay. Also, it says that for this dot percentage, we need to keep stating into the spaces. For instance, this can print out printf. It will show the exclusive first list. The VAT percentage is 21.0 at this time to here. VAT, and it is equal to the inclusive. That's it. Just it. And then it will show the backslash. And so we'll come to the next line. And then we go to choice C, else if. If it is an exclusive, so we need to count for the inclusive. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. This kind of thing. And if else we choose 0 or any others, it will be invalid. Okay. That is fine. Okay, next. Come to this numbers v2 version 2. Create a constant minimum. So we need to create a final. To create a finals. Minimum, okay, so it is public class also and the final int. Yes, create a final int. We should remember this should be in capital. Yeah, minimum and maximum. Okay, ask the user for two six-digit numbers. So like scanner new scanner system, and then we ask them for system out for two six-digit numbers. This first one and second one, number one, number two. Okay. Check if both numbers do in fact have exactly the digit numbers that it is state that we use. If um like if it is smaller than max and greater than min, so it's good. And if it's not, else it should show that sometimes that it is error number. If you can you please give the correct number, just keep beautiful words, okay? If more digits are accepted, multiply them and show the five final digits. Okay, if more digits are accepted, okay, for we show all and else, we will do like a math like else and then curly braces. Product equal float, okay, float product equal number one multiplied by number two and just show the five. So we need to just something here. Along, okay, we need to use long because it's three is long. Five, and we should, yeah, modulus five times make the minimum for because we can see that there are 1,100, and if we divide it by the product with this, it will show us. You can see the cutting. We cut it again the only five first. So this is the five final digits. Sure. I cannot read it now, but it's okay. Okay, keyboard next int. Okay, if we load this next row, we use double next double, whichever one it is. Okay, yeah, if one then okay, this is much better because we need to know if one or only one or two is larger, so it is not good. We need to think about it. Consistency. Yeah. That's not something difficult to understand. Okay, unpublished assignment. Next, number 03. Create a constant minimum dividend with a value of 1 trillion. Oh, okay. Constant, so there's also great long final long. Constant minimum division with value of 10 million. Okay, that's so great final long as well. Ask the user to enter a number at least 10 digits. Next, user enter the divisor. Divisor. Okay. So like also a scanner system and system out to enter list the digits number or that is at least a digit number, and then we need to use like if just or one or two, if the number one is not correct, it will show this number two will show to say like or also um, if we bit rate then the minimum dividend, the return the minimum dividend is okay, just like that for assignment. And if not, we please write the document. Okay, choose the correct number or like one of the two number is too small. It's fine. In case spoken by the secretary, and then if it is else good, so calculate the quotient. It mean that we need to use the quotient equal the number one divided by number two. Print the quotient once again. Okay, print it. We need to print it two times one for the. Uh, okay. It is float quotient, float quotient, and then we need system out print line. The quotient is float, the quotient, and with the fractional part, with the print f for format and use like dot percent a percentage dot zero f or int, but int quotient is okay. Okay, just this final long. Okay, final long. You need to know that there should be an L, both capital or small is okay. Long division gives the double quotient. Division keyboard next long, yeah, next long. If division is number, okay, the number is too small, it's good. System out print. Okay, it's fine. To enter a digit whole number, is the keyboard next long. If the divisor is smaller, the minimum divisor, the number is too small. Quotient is kind of dividend double divisor. So it's a double, but with this not is long, so it's okay. Quotient, okay, it's still fine because it's a double at first. So just like when you use in a long, but it's long because maybe it could be rather greater than 32,000. So it should be this. Okay, I remember this is long. Must be that. Okay, now move to the next assignment. Oh my god, I don't like where it is. Write up random points is key value characters. First time you got a number from 22 space bar into print screens will represent the number in the user enters an invalid number about the program. If you, oh, we need to like finalize initialize final like final int minimum 22 and the maximum is 127, so that if it is not between both those two, show the line some code like enter number is too small. Like we can do this, but actually I need to do that often. Is environment. You write it again, okay. If you have some experience with loops, means contains C characters. Oh gosh, I'm not good at this, so I will want just show you the. Yeah, I'm not good at it. Worse. Okay, this is yeah static for mainstream arrays. Okay, skip now. Skip in is a number between 28. Okay, should be 31 and 28. So yeah, if it is not in this, like in this, not in the space between that, it will be invalid number. Ah, yeah, we should show a number, but in char. This is the conversion. Okay, for the loop. Okay, we study loop like for C equal to C plus plus percentage C. Then we got the percentage 3D. Don't understand what this means. Okay, percentage C, we will have the C in this character, but with the percentage 3D, we have like the small button 3. I will try to learn it, but I know this is the initialize. We declare it is our character C. Like extra X is okay. Let's start it from 32. until this condition less than 128. That is when we do is upgrade to C++ and we go 1 to 20, 33, 45 until 128. That's all. Okay, this conversion to character based on reference. So, digits for one, which we ask user for 40 digits. Okay, 40 digits. We're supposed to grab number out of these 40 digits. The first digit represents 1,000. This one, etc. Can enter a 40 digits number. Okay. So like all things like a system can learn a scanner new system. The scanner system may pass out into a user into a 40 digit numbers. Or about 40 digits. Okay, 40 digits. So like into the first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, fourth digit. Okay, just add them into one. Like the final digits, like I multiply 1,000, we multiply 100 zero. Okay, validated input. Make sure that the row repeats until you get the. Yeah, it's like this. It's 4 digits, 4 separated digits. The first, the second, the third, the fourth. And like this, yeah, that's it. And then when tricky, if you're familiar with loops, make sure one repeats until you use as enter -1. It is or her first use Boolean derivation is under no. Instead of for an int, read the number as a string of text using next line. Oh, I don't know where it is. No, maybe we just can look through this and we can understand more. If it's not declaring new scalar, it's gonna see. We have to declare it is declaration with a base to the digit 1, 2, 3, 4 number. Should continue is true. The boolean will be in the hard one or in the tricky. Here's for the loop while should continue. We start a system out enter for digits 0 to 9. The system out prefers digit. If digit 1 is minus equal to -1, should continue equal false. Okay, okay, it's fine if while like we do this, but if it's not good, it will false and it will not work because boolean is equal true is the default false. Else enter the first, the second digit, enter the third digit, enter the fourth digit. Okay, understand this? And if digit 1 or digit 2, digit 3, digit 4 like this, it will not work because we need only one digit. Ours, yeah, and this is what we do. This is going to be a number. We need to do now is to use the boolean true while we show the do while is also not good. While is work if it's the digit is not equal to -1, we do the second digit, third digit, fourth digit. If it's not in a range 1, 0 to 9, it will like work also if we just calculate, okay? You can understand this. Write a program which you ask a user for an evidence meeting exactly 4 digits. Okay, if it's not greater, we need to define our end minimum and maximum. And then just like if it is like the number is smaller than 1,000 or greater than 9 1999. We're wrong. Yeah, that's it. Possible extras. Calculate assume. Oh, I forgot it. Um, okay, we need to like the digit one is the modulus of the number you type it. We type the number int number equal internal scan int number equal to new equal to scanner next int. If it's work, okay, if the number is correct. So the digit one, D1 is equal to number modulus by 1000. I think so. No, 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 this divided. This divided, only divided. And digit two is like the number. Digit one is like number divided by 1000. Digit two is the modulus of digit one divided by modulus of digit one with 1000. If, for instance, we have 1987, if we divide it by 1000, we will get 1, it is digit 1. And with the modulus, we will get 187. With that, it is the modulus. And with the modulus, we divide it by 100, which show us the second digit. And with our things, we got 1987. The sum is like D1, D2, D3, D3 is the sum of them. Okay. Repeats until it's use a Boolean variable technique. Okay, Boolean the last assignment is Boolean should continue is equal true. So while enter the number 4 digits number, and then if they are correct, we see that if it's greater than 1000 is smaller than 9,999 equals, so in order it will false. So if is on that range it will fall string is equal to false, and then else we will do just like calculate these things. After calculating things, we need to use intermediates so that it is not always sub. Allow the user to enter the amount of digits at first. I don't know about that hard. It's possible extra first one is because we don't understand what the concept. Okay. Yeah, this is final int scanner int declaration. Yeah, this one we can like use while at this term and do the should Lydia should continue equal true at like, the previous task. Yeah, if number it should be it should be else we will do this. Yeah, this one. Ah, this plus equal. I see and understand this. Just like PN, but I'm not well with like this is more logical because we have like sum is plus equal to number modulus by 10. So if the number is modulus by 10, it is because for now zero, so it is after it is 987, and if number it would be ah it is now 27, and then it's like it, if we divide it by 10 it is 9. Huh? 7. The 10 is 187. Oh no, yeah, it is 7. 7. So the number of frequency is 7. Oh my god, what's this? 5 is plus. It is modulus. So it means that sum equals minus attempt this one. Next we learn so the sum is we have 109,987, so it is modulus 737. Okay, and this number is this time it is one this and this we have 7 1 7 and I don't know how does it work actually. This time the sum is 7, right? Plus number this time is 1. Oh, no. It's 8. 50. Just try it once again. But I understand the concept to actually work with this. Like at first we have the 4-digit numbers, and then we divided it by, for me, we divided by 10. 1,000, if we get first digit is 1, then we will calculate for the modulus 1,000, it will give us 987. With this, we call it like number 2. Okay, it's fine. It should be number 2. Okay. With number 2, we divide it by 100 to get the digit 2 is 9. And then we will modulus it with 100 to get number 3 is 87. And we divide everything to get the digit 2 is 8. It actually, this, I did not understand this too much. So maybe not. But I still understand what we do. It's okay. Okay, fuel consumption. Okay, ask for the cast millage. Again, like on any other subjects, just asking. Ask for the cast millage into the previous millage, into the current millage, into the amount of fuel used to fill the tank. Okay, previous millage is a subtract. But I found that we needed to. Yeah, this one just is current village, previous village distance. We need to know this as like is an subtract from current region minus by the previous village. The number letters it will be like number multiplied by 100. Okay, it's just this. Can know this because well, wait, for instance, per a kilometers we go with around for instance 60, we use 60 liters per kilometer, and this time we use it for we will go for count for 100 per 100 kilometers, so this 100, so if we will go 1 kilometer is okay, one, and the distance is count from this. Yeah, Why? Because this we can count for the distance. Like for instance, we go from 38,000 kilometers. We go from 38 seven 37,000 kilometers. Okay, you it shows that we go around 1,000 kilometers. And per kilometer we used in consumption. Yeah, we got in consumption. We used around in is the answer from the guest. So it's okay. That's it. It's just a small and printf format. Dot percentage to have two digits after the tens. Ah, okay, sure. Remember because we have like this percentage d for decimal kilometers. Always distance. If this is number of liters, so we have distance. Oh, consumption. Ah, consumption is consumption. Okay, sure is fine. Sorry for this. Next, switches. Three switches. Literal Boolean. Check if at least two switches are turned on. Equal true. So switch turned on. At least one switch is turned on. We have three switches. One, two, three. So if at least two switches are turned on, if we type like um, one, two, three, it is correct. It is one, two is correct. It is one, three is correct. It's two, three is correct. Like this is only the one, two, two, three, three, one, and there's only one or two or three. But you know how can we deal with this assignment? Just check. Okay, enter true false. Ah, it means that we ask player to enter true or false with this. Switch one against the next boolean. We will do this. Okay, we get the chat for this. Okay, come on. Enter the stage. Switch one to three, true or false. And then okay, just guess if it's true or false. For instance, It's switch one and switch two, switch one, switch three. Okay. One of these three circumstances, it will print that at least two switches are turned on because, for instance, someone played the game and they write switch one, switch three, switch is okay. It will say that at least two switches are turned on. Switch one and switch three is okay because all of these are turned on. And if exactly okay, like this, if switch one is switch two, switch two, but it is not like one of them. Okay, it means that the methods shows that, for instance, we have only switch one and switch two to turn on, so it is suitable for the first thing. This is, or we have this one, switch one and switch two. Okay, it's not this, not the switch one, switch three, and also the two and three is not also okay, and it is not switch three. It means that it is not switch three, only one and two. It is exactly two. In the first circumstances, it is based. It is exactly shows that okay, it is both one and two is okay, or one and three is also okay. So it means that one, two, once one and three, so we mean have all of one, two, three. So it is at least two switches turned on. Is Boolean. Is true. False. Switch is Boolean. Okay. And with this, because only have two, so it's not three. And it is not three. So it is exactly two switches. If with the one, it's just like this, we have the not one and two, not one and three, not one, not three, and not two and not three. Just switch one or switch two or switch three. So this one, yeah, because if it's not this, not this, not this. Okay, it's fine. It's only not this because if it's not switch one, it's switch three because we have only three circumstances. Okay, it's fine. It's kind of tricky, but still okay to understand. So for all cache spaces should be removed. I don't know, Aston. So I will check the answer first. I do not have any ideas about this. No, because so you should not solve this in class. It's our, it's not mandatory. Okay. Okay. Scanner, okay, to enter our name or random. So we use it later. Okay. Random, new random. Random, random, new random. Enter your name. Enter your name. String name, scanner is like, okay. String, new string name. This a string, new string name is based on this. It's like class string name. String scramble name is a method string we have not learned about yet. It's still not now. Oh, then the name copy is not empty. Integer precision method mix name copy length. Okay, and smallest do not meet standards. Name copy char at char precision. Scramble name plus equals C. Substring is to create a string, new string, start from zero. and into the chat position. This child, I think so. Yeah, it's a child copy when the message should be length. It's like as percentage is a string is still understand this. Hmm. Okay, we will see it once again in the later, but not now. Nevertheless, coming to next task. I think so. I'm not understanding. We need to cover some theories, but not now. Suppose because I've learned it, so it's fine. H, okay, is like if else. Okay, not for me. It's like ask until your age. Like skin and use can system. Skin and use can system ask the age until your age and display age. If age is smaller than 2, call it maybe with a system out to be like you were baby. If it's your grade smaller than 12, smaller and equal to smaller equal to 12. So as you are a child, 13 is smaller than it is just small equal to 17, and if you are greater than 18, equal to 18, you are adult. You are adult. Just yeah, you can see it once. Teenager. Look at it. It's okay. Yeah, we can use also this. It's fine. Next, Scrabble. What are you doing to do? Okay, as the user volunteer show Scrabble with later. Usually should get at the same as software and then lower uppercase letter. So you switch case. You switch Scrabble case 1. If char equal to A E I O U L S T R, both in the capital upper or lower is okay. You can use that upper or lower, and then we show a system out for 1 point, and then break, and then case 2, char equals B or she, lower upper, yeah, the system of 2 points. BCMP like that to 3 case 3, case 4, case 5, case 6, and case 10 we need to use break. Also between those case char we need to use the colon. Is it? Yeah, it is colon. Okay, at the ends please enter a letter. System upbring scanner new scanner system and string letter equivalent style. Okay, switch letter a Scrabble. Case A is between these cases we need to use the colon. Case 1, case A, case. I forgot to use the cases, sorry. Nah. Oh, okay. We need to remember this system output line. Okay, I understand. That's the case A E I O U L N S T R in both for both in capital also. Some put out with a 1 point, 2 point. Yeah, and break. We need to break. If it's not, it will show all this 1 point, 2 point. If for instance, if we not break this, so it will show us and it will show 1 point, 2 points. Both of them, yeah, it's not good. It's an error. And default. Okay. Also, we need to use default or valid letter. If it's not on the half rules, there is an invalid and right with slash we show invalid there. This is a default. So default starts with the colon. watch it again. It's colon break and default or other circumstances. Okay, the system of print line and the semicolon here and break with a semicolon also. Also, we can use the comma if we write it in one line and use the arrow size instead of the colon. If you use which expression all possible cases are not covered, default is mandatory. Yeah, that's it. It should be a default. And when we write in one, we should use the arrow sign instead of the comment. Okay, H is Scrabble. That's it for exercise 302. Next, loops. What should we do now? Okay, while display a line with all the best for every. Okay, it's that while int I equal 120, I greater than 199, I minus minus because we need to show then okay. Then system out brother I think so. This works. And with the multiplies of 3 below 50, it is multiplies of 3 into I equal 0 or 1. 1. It should be 1. I smaller than 50. I multiply equal 3. Okay. And then system out below power of 5 below 1, 10,000. Why? Oh, it's 4. I think so. I got, sorry. It is 4. So we can watch 4 first. 4. Yeah, and then when this is, yeah, this first, this is the second. Oh, counter from 3. It's okay. Plus equal 3. Oh, yeah, this plus this multiply and equal 5. I'm sorry for this. Also display a flag with the alphabet. Increment a char from char A, char X equal A, char C equal A, C great smaller than Z, but in the single codes, and then we have C plus plus. Yeah, that's because the characters should be in the single code. The alphabet for char, yeah. I'm actually good at this term for one. I'm actually really good for not do while and while. For while we get this, you have to show us the at first like this. So int for the max and the min, and then while the condition, while the max is greater than the min, system out print that max minus minus. Just it's kind of easy to understand. System out, for instance, the character I is 3 and the limit is 50, for instance. I is 3 and the limit is 50. Then we start while condition is that I is smaller than max the limit. And then we show it out the print line system out print the I plus equal 3. Just that. And this term is based on the 0 from starting with 0, but it's still okay. We don't need to use the base. It's okay to not hear the base. We can make I plus equal 3, but it should be at the last. I do not know why, but frequently I will do it. Based on it like this. I minus it the last. After the system upgrade lines, then column emitter like this at this time. So the powers of 5 below 10,000. Okay, we will do while the condition will have to create in if 0, oh no, one at first, and the limit is 10,000, while it is small, 10,000 limit. Yeah, system out brings the I, and then we have to I multiply equal 5. Yeah, that's it. This one. And so with the character, we have character z equal a, and the limit is the z, and then just character plus plus. It's okay to put it in the system out, but it's okay also to put it under the system. It's okay. Okay, if the do while is we do everything at first, then we will show us the conclusion. Instance, we should also show the 120. Like this, we will do show print line, print line system out. The 121st while is smaller is greater than the limit 100. Okay, and then minus. It will print first. Then we will condition. Okay. So it is basically it's just like swap of the oils. Yeah, but it's still okay to work. Something different. I think so. Yeah, with the system out printers and then the some math calculations and then the conditions. Okay, it still works. And then next multiplies multiples. Wow, for a number, show all multiple from lower maximum value in order to a constant. Okay, final int one max 100, and then we asking the system in and ask for a number. Which number we try to see multiplies, and then int we need to int num is equal to scan the next in, and then with that number I can use while the number is smaller than the max. We will print like that number. Okay, and we need to plus for the spaces also in the double quotes. And after the numbers plus equal number. Just you can see. Yeah, multiple is the basis. The basis is to the basis. So like number plus equal numbers. Number plus number minus number. Okay, it still works. Next. 3.305 factorial 4. Show the from 1 to 20. It's like 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 4 5. That's it. It's the factorial. And with this, like, just show it. So we can use while, for instance, from int, the min is 1 and the max is 20, min is smaller than max. Out in line, the maybe I could call it factorial, and the factorials is like equal to maybe 4 is it yeah, we use 4 at this time. Sorry. 4 for it is I equal 1, I is smaller equal than 20, I plus plus. System out to print the line I I multiply by I. Just said. So guys, I'm still learning. So I'm just learning this. X smaller I plus this. Yeah. Oh, sorry. We need to solve the result. It's number. Yeah, it should be a number multiplied by number. Okay, that's right, guys. Just this. And to show the format. So, okay, it is percentage E for digit exclamation. Percentage D. The first percentage D is the number, and the second is the result. Like we, okay, it still work. The backslash and for the new line, yeah, it's work. I understand this. Actually, it's good. Next, factorial days a month. Switch. Okay, switch days a month. Case ask you so far about can use the system. Okay, always this number of a month, print name of month, the number of the days. Should be enter a number, month number. Then we get this is format. I think case one is January has 31 days. Case two, February has 23 days. Ah, should be only one print line. Case, case one. Okay, should be one. Actually, I do not know one print line. We need to know this. Okay. Switch month. Month name. Case one. We show the month days. February. Oh, okay. I don't am good at this case. Switch. Okay, case one. Call the column. Call the answers right. With case one, it will math name equal this, and this equal this, and break. Oh, and then after that one, the system out print line. Also, we need the default. 31 break default wrong month number or month name invalid day 0. If this equal 0 system is there usually is greater than 0. Yeah, because if they're like this, so month name has these. Oh, it's good. I understand it. Like we do show for the month number, and then we got a case one. We got the month name is equal January, but in the codes, and we have days equal 31. Because a digit so it not unknown any codes, and then we break right case 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11, 12, and we default for the column also enter default out we print our invalid month number. This equals 0 month invalid, and we have like if we just we start with the curly braces. So after default, we need to have a curly braces, and then with new if we have like if circle braces, and then we like this greater than 0, we curly new curly braces as like system umbrella. Month name has these days. Okay, should be fine now. So it exactly it works with the day, month, and year. If the year is leap year, February should have 29 days. Multiple multiple of 400. It is multiple of 4 and not a multiple of 100. Okay, so it's only one. We need to in the case 2 February, and we have F year, enter a year. So we should ask the user for a year first, and then we have to enter a month number. Okay, it's fine. Now, if year is if the modulus is equal to 0, or the year both, okay, we have the curly braces, or year plus modulus 4 equal to 0, and years modulus 100 is not equal to 0, it would be 29 days. Else, it would say day equal to 28. Is it good? Just look at this one. Okay, we need to enter a number in a year. Output into year into month. Month number enter year. Switch month. Yeah, that's it. Year modulus 4 equals 0, or year modulus equal and year modulus 100 is not as 0. Okay, what's this? It says that if works, it will show us 29 days. If not works, it will show 28 days. This another useful if else. Okay, I will study it good. It's fine. And this not is all of this task. Okay, 3.07. Use lips interval with all hexadecimal numbers. Use chart arithmetic chart. And just do this on C. To byte int format produces an int format. Oh gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Just look at the answer this time. Sorry for my bad. It's not something I work for. Okay, for int is the 4. For int I0 I smaller than I plus plus. Something out I shows final child letter A. Okay. I is smaller than 6 I plus plus. Char letter A plus I. It will show us A, B, C, E, F. I think so. Or we will not show it will A. It will show us also A, B, C, D, E. The first one shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 9. Show us letter A, A, B, C, D, F. For child letter, let equal letter A, letter smaller letter A plus 6. Letter is equal to letter A. Letter plus plus is also A, B, C, D, E, F, because letter A is equal to the 1 with this maybe 7, and this time it is 7, because sharp is character, but this turn it is letter A is the tab digit is represent for 1, so it is 7, because it is initialized for 1, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Letter plus plus. Okay. Divisible. Lips nested F. Ask use for 2 numbers. Okay, it's to ask for 2 numbers. Just type in the numbers. Put the lips to 1,000. that are divisible if remaining divided in zeros is modulus. Since we type int a, int b, keyboard next int, keyboard next int, and then we have to like if a. Also, we need to some comprehensive truths and concerns. It's like a is modulus by b, a modulus b is zero also. Okay, so it's just like for okay, sorry, for I from start from 1 until I smaller than 1000 equal 1000 I plus plus, and we show some conditions, other conditions like if oh gosh, sorry guys, everything this. Yeah, it's called final index. It's okay. Boolean stop is equal to false. Why? Okay, we need to equal to zero. It's greater than zero since the second dimension it counts from zero. Number smaller max, okay. Because the number modular first is zero and number is zero. Okay, we evaluation of the number, yes, that's what I do. And if plus count less than zero, why? If the first is smaller than zero or the second enter positive numbers, okay. Stop is true while stop. Okay, so it should be just like modulus. Okay, we need to know this modulus called and but yeah, I just only do know this situation. That's why we need to like if count. Maybe I can copy this and try once if it's work into this. Oh, but not this time, but we just look at this. First is greater than zero. Okay, I understand why he do this. So greater than zero. Okay, it works. I know, but also for the four, I exactly know what he's doing. But what if count less 10 is zero? Okay, but that's the fine. We have a try once. Ah, we need the test go. Okay, sorry. Modify the program to print maximum 10 numbers on a. Okay. Yeah, it should be that. We need to discount this term. Count is zero because with this, into this, it is exactly the task one trying to find the numbers that can be divided to for the first modulus second is zero, and then we need to format the output is if count is modulus 10 is zero, so it will end and just print out the things. Yeah, count starts from zero and count plus plus or plus count okay, until 10. Sorry guys, plus plus count minus 10 is zero, so it will show us only 10 for 10 numbers online and count. But we'll try to remember this to understand exactly. Okay, if count 0, please repeat. You set dividers until the users enters a 0 until the end to 0 to negative number for one of the dividers Let's actually start the loop. If first start with 0 or second start with smaller than 0, it will please enter the positive numbers. Else, if the first or second equals 0, stop is true. And you know it while not stop, it works. Okay, that's why we have the boolean. And the program is 0. The first keep a next int, second is equals 0. Okay, 3.309 compound interest. Calculate the global capital over this given interest rate. Okay, we let's ask the user for those starting capital of I, for instance, double I. Interest rate is double J, for instance. J. Number yield is in. Okay, like from int I equal 10,000. Oh, sorry, interrupt this. Int I is equals 1. I is smaller than 9. I is 8. Smaller than 9. I plus plus. So then we have like the money is equal to the capital multiplying by the interest rate. No. It's like the capital 1 multiply the interest rate plus the capital. So is cap rate, cap interest. We call it cap interest. And that we like cap plus cap, cap plus equal cap interest. Oh, that's it. 8 times. You can see on there, just ask for those starting capital, interest, years, print those interest. Next step. Here is 1 plus keyboard next step. Well, we have interest of K for years. Yeah. What does the account interest actually mean? Because he just took the interest here for 1 plus at this time. Oh, it's so good. It looks great. For me, I do not calculate 1 plus x, so I will need the capital plus the capital interest. For me, I like this. It's and we have to cap into, and I call this is cap interest. Okay, and this go just looks good. In myself thinking, okay, it's right. It's much more logical. Interest is 1 plus keyboard is like we have 3%. If we write it 3%, we minus by 100 plus 1, so is the interest, absolute interest. Just like multiply by that interest every year. Okay, it's good. It's absolutely good answer. Used to double. Okay, we have count number of years 3. There's no need for the number of years. For instance, like we have that things that is let me think. We have the first number is 1,000 and we need it to be 10,000. So int I is 1000, I is more or equal to 2000, I minus I plus plus. Okay. Or years is much better. Like years, but we don't know max. Let's account for the years because years like uh is 2000 times 2000. The cap is the cap multiplied by interest. Interest is 1.3 is 2.5. Okay, we have to cap is equal to 2000. So it is the 2000 is the capital. Number two, the cap two divided by cap one with the cap interest. Yeah, it's the cap interest divided by cap interest. But how many times? Oh, just thinking with from this, it will print this 8 times. So it's like cap interest and then cap interest, cap interest. So it is. Okay, I don't know. The vector is equal to interest. This plus b vector is. Just think, we have 1000. Okay, just write this one. 2000 is equal to 1000. But at first we have cap 2 is equal to cap 1 multiplied by interest. Okay, first we have like 103 because we have plus 1 so this time so interest okay. And then cap 3 is equal to cap 2. So interest. And yeah, so it is like 1000 interest. It is like 1000 interest. Oh, 1000 interest. So if it's cap 1 is 1 interest, cap 2 is 1 interest. So it's interest cap n equal cap n minus 1 interest and the cap. What is the difference between these things? This thing is like cap one interest. So it's cap 1 interest. Okay, with this it would be cap 1 which is my minus 1. Okay, good. Now we have minus 2000, so it is the number of years. Can calculate once. Have 2.5. I have to calculate zeros here. 2 divided by 2.5 plus 1. Okay. Oh, is the power, math power. Okay, that's it. It works. Okay, finish this. Got this. Next, move on to the next task. Programming modulus. Come on into exercise number 4. And tomorrow we will cover the only things number 5 and 6. They are much more difficult. Number 4 is about the programming objects. Sorry guys, because I cannot show you the slide presentation. That's okay, it's fine. It's about a constructor. Let declare and initialize an object of type random. Name this object random. Call the constructor doesn't take any parameters. Print 7 random users in range 1.45 to 25, both inclusive. Use a for loop to do this. Run your program a couple of times. This is print 7 just every time different. Should you code in such a way that contains is called instead and one that is simple permitted in this person. Codes as a value of this meter. Check it out to get compatible with the subsequent executions from the program. You see the same numbers in different numbers. Okay. Nice. At first, it shows us that declare an initial object type random. So it's random, randomly random. Okay. What do we mean this? It means that we calculate from 0 to 99. It is inclusive. So, it's inclusive. So it's inclusive. Okay, I forgot this. Okay, and if we for int add 0, starting from 0, print standard random number and range, both inclusive. Uh-huh. A loop is a loop. I plus plus a three number. I plus one. Because I start from 0 is from 0 is 1. Three number 1 random plus the column because we need to write this I plus 1 plus the column random next in 45 plus 1 to because we count from 0 to 44. But it means that we count around 9 numbers except 7. This is how we use the random int. Random for int I is for loop. I is equal to 0, I slower than 10, very smaller than 10, I plus plus. And remember I plus 1 plus the colon, random next int 45 plus 1. But it should be I smaller than 8, but it's okay. That's it. If it's not a constructor, they wish not this. But what a difference? I don't know. Let's still try. It's okay to find if text random. Print 6 random numbers from 1 to 6, both inclusive. So it random new, random, and then we have like int num equal to random next int 6 plus 1. Okay, it print for random booleans. Boolean print three random decimals from 1 to 0, including 1. Like Boolean, because we have int num Boolean, just choice or something like that, equal to random next Boolean. We get random decimals. Yes, decimals is the ball num 2, I think so. And then next the ball, 1, yeah, 1. That's including 1. So we do print following output if you send random object. Send random numbers from the both inclusive. So it is 900 and 1000. So they are calling from 0 to 99. And we, oh, no, no, from 0 to 100, and we plus 800. Oh no, we plus 899 and 10 random between 9 and 5 is double. So double, and then we plus 6 and plus 5 is from 9 0 next double 5 and plus 5 even numbers between 0 and 100 even numbers I don't know. Okay, and that we do we just check the answers. It's really good at this random in the task one first. Okay, it's I. Okay, is okay. We need to use the loop. Okay, it's fine. Next in 6 plus 1. Okay, I plus plus. We need to print 6. Print 6. Slower than 4. Smaller than 4. I plus plus. Random next boolean. Okay, random next boolean is just it. Yeah, 3 random decimals. So random next ball. But it's to 1. So sometimes we need to write 1 in this. Next is task number 2. Okay, I use volunteer A plus plus. Yeah, I mean the next int 100 and just where 899 is okay. I plus plus and the next the more multiplied by 5 plus 5. Wow. Just in the next symbol. Oh, we need to multiply. So sometimes I see and we see that even from the double we start from 1 or 0. I don't know. Maybe I will try to learn this. It's kind of difficult. Maybe. Mhm. From with this, if we start from 0 to 50, we divide it even to all which is plus. Ah, okay, I understand what's going on. Because we use I at this t term. Just look at again at the Boolean. Boolean, let's do this. I plus plus this I is equal to 1. No, just look 10 times. It is in the y this multiply by 2 because it's from 0 to 50. If 0 was like the 2 is 0, 1 is 1. If the random next double, but y is multiplied by 5 and plus 5. Ah, it should be that the double is the end of the row is 1. So if we multiply it by 5, maximum is 1. So is plus 5 is 2 or 10. Oh, I got it. Maximum multiple is 1. The 10 of them multiplies multiples of 3 smaller than 100. Okay, the maximum will be 102, so it's 33. 33, so we can next in 34. So it will be from 0 to 33 and multiply by 3 is 9. Okay, it's good. Understand this. Okay, got it. I got this. String manipulation. Read a sentence entered by the user, print next sentence in the uppercase. Okay, so I will ask the user to enter a string name, string sentence equal string scanner dot next line, and then center in the uppercase. So it should be in the upper system print now. System out print line upper sentence, lower sentence, and replace where each case is replace a or replace sentence comma a comma o. The total length is like length sentence. First character initial substring 0. Nah, substring sentence 01. The last character is substring sentence um, the character length 1. The sentence length sentence 1. The mountains E appears in the sentence. So if I E, I think I don't know only 7. Input to uppercase. Sentence dot to uppercase, dot to lowercase, dot. After the sentence dot is the options. Replace AO, replace code characters, codes in the A, one code only, not the double codes. Codes A, comma O, length, and then just nothing, the no parameters. The total length is equal to input length and show the length. Now sentence input char at 0. Char at the sentence start from 0 and to length minus 1. Okay. Int es equals 0. For int I is equal 0, I is my small and length. Okay. I plus plus, char at I equal E, AS plus plus. What's this? It, if char input char at I is ES plus E plus plus, ES plus plus. Oh, I will count the number E. Do we if but not in the like this is okay. Okay, I understand this. We need to string manipulation. We need to syntax dot to uppercase to lowercase chat. We have replace we use in the code A comma code O, and we have length. We have to input length first. Int length is a digit. Also, we can use child from child 0, child minus 1. We have amount times we got to count it like int count equal es. Int count equals 0. We have to use loop for loop. And if child I equal to the e, so the count plus plus, and we print out the count. Oh, it's nice. I understand this. Actually, it works for me. Okay, move on. Next, 404. 404. Oh gosh, there's no 404. Why? Is there no 404? Actually, only okay is fine. Ask the user for 2 lines of text. Okay, if you ask, just asking them to enter a line. So then you scan the system, scan the system in, and then scan the system and then we got like string sentence one. Scan the next time. String sentence use again the next time. Use any spaces from start and from the end of the string we have trim. Define a font here. Print string alphabetical order. Oh, it hurts. Absolutely. We have to connect to okay. So trim. Okay, we use trim. Yeah, that's what we do. Just get the option after that. Scan the next slide and trim. Okay, so trim. And then if I want compare to ignore case like 2, small 0, system out, bring line 1 plus place plus line 2. Line 1 compared to ignore case smaller equal to 0 compared to ignore case. Okay, understand. We have trim to delete the spaces from slides to trim. Also, we have trim delete. Comparing strings. Predefined strings are equal to each other without using equals. Is equal to is much better. Java, Java, equal. Boolean equal 1, string 1 equals to ignore case string 3 equals to, in our case, string 3 equals to equals, in our case, is much better. Equals, we use the word equals. Or just like to equal size, yeah. Boolean, 4 or 6. Write a program that counts in terms of string integers within the string. That's all you appears in this, and the more you learn, the less you know. The more, okay, and okay, we have like half string sentence. The more you learn, the less you know. Substring OU, string substring OU, okay, and then we have to count it every time count. Okay, anything but is int count equal 0, and then we have to int for index equals 0. While index equals sentence, the index of substring index minus, goodness, the substring OU appears count times in the sentence. Count plus, okay, I understand. Index in string length. No, right, yes. The index. Can I use for? For instance, can I use for in this time? Just check. Learn this news overview. Count plus. Um, chat should be chat. Why is not working? Ah, Chris. Of course. Okay. Select translate. So key I plus try it I equal count. Oh, what is count? Substring. Sorry, it should be substring. Just check. But if we do it like this, it will work. Okay, that works because they are not like this. I've seen this before. Let's just always work with this, but not with mine. Ah, what do they do is this. Maybe I can try it again. It's a little different. Now we can run. It's not quite so because they are almost the same. What's the difference? Input char at I int es equals 0 and plus char at I. I don't know why it will not works. Okay, but I will try to learn the index. String builder. Builder 1 should only contain the initials. Builder 2 should contain the reserved name, version and the name which each E is replaced by A. The new strings replace all methods. Builder 4 should contain all characters in a random order. Enter your first name, last name. Allow more than one space. Shambrick. Okay. I see, I see. Enter first name separate space. Scanner scan the system in string name scanner next slide. String builder builder one new string builder the name string name. Why do we need characters parameters here? I don't know. This we will work out with it. For int, I'm equals 0, I in small name length, I plus plus. Okay. If I equals 0, name child I minus 1 in space. Okay, I know. Instance. 1 append name child I equals 0 is L or name child I minus 1. For instance, it is 4, 5. This one is fine. Number 6 is I is the 6. Oh, it is 2U. Okay, I see. So append with one append and try it. I is out with U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the characters number 6. But 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, okay, it's good. Yeah, let me check. If it is equal to the space, like Lars Williamson is number 5 for the space. So the letter I is 6. And if chart I is 6. Okay, I see it. Good, good, good. If I is equal 0 or I is name chart at chart I minus 1 is equal space. Okay, good, good, good. Append. I reserve. Just the position scrap point. Reverse. Reverse. Okay, reverse. Build 2. Build build 3. Or why was not build 2? Just build 2 dot reverse. Okay, it's fine. Build 1 is append. Build 2 is just not reverse. Reverse is a method. I tried the length. While build 3 index of E is not equal to 1 minus 1. Its position of E equal to index of E. What is index? Equal 3 that try position of E A. Okay, that means that we replace by equal 3 index of E. Set chart position E to A. Besides, we use replace. We will set chart at in strict building. Position of E is equal to the builder index of E. Index of E. Build 3 index of E is not equal to minus 1. Okay. Should contain all characters in random order. It's me random. Yeah. Me random. While string builder length is greater than 0, index is equal to random next in string length. Okay. If, for instance, if the length is 14, so it will contains from 0 to 13. And for instance, the length, we have an extension, we have a length of section is 12567. It is 7, but in this we show 0 to 6. As we chart index, delete chart index, twice delete. What the fuck is this? I don't know. But I understand the first one. It's just like if they are in this time, we will append this, append these two places. Or this is okay. Means some things are replacement. We use set chart. Text of E. Even the random is also good. But not good at it and all reverse. Okay. Next, palindrome string viewer, right? For I can determine whether or not it's a palindrome which will read the same backwards and forwards. Great race score. Oh, banana. Oh, palindrome. So it looks great. Enter a word. Scanner. I see string builder. New string builder. Found the word. Scanner. SB reverse switching equals the string sentence. String builder reverse to string equals to the if the reverse to string equal to the string, that means the sentence. If the string will reverse is option, and we need to string equals to the sentence. Print line sentence is up well then it's not. Oh, it means that we need to create a new string builder and reverse it into string, come into string again. Okay, I can make I need to string. That would great too. It's great one. You know why, but there's no for life for but I will use my still here. I will take this. Okay, maybe it's not working, but it's fine. Ask the user for a number between 1 and 20 inclusive to count to. Okay, enter a number. You have to private static. Why? Just final int or just final max new, I don't know. Scanner in and just I don't know why. The scanner system into number equals 0, number is equal 0. Enter number between min number and max number. Number equals scanner next int. Scanner next line consume new line character. This number is greater than minimum or and number is smaller than maximum. Break. Else please enter number before asking the level is constants before running reduce numbers only the constants. Okay. Check if a user enter a valid digit. Scanner has next in can help. Scanner has next in. Okay. Remark, you need to read input line to get rid of the bad input. If you don't, we will get the bad input again next time this user scanner. Okay, so it means that if your scanner has next int, it will show us if it work or not. So we need to consume the new character scan the next line. Scanner has next you can scan the next line. They will need to go both. Check use numbers within a given range. If number is small is greater than minimum and smaller than maximum is okay, is good. But if else, with this entire number within the range, okay. If the user didn't interpolate, ask it, please okay, a system out print line. And then if it works, I mean that if scanner has making and it works, that's not valid number, please try break. Oh, so at first, I will initialize prefix static, find minimum and maximum, and then its number equals 0, loop into values while true, enter a number between minimum and maximum, and if Skinner has int that has next int number is equal to numbers to Skinner next int and Skinner next line. If number is equal smaller than maximum and weights is small weight equal to minimum, it works in break. But if it's not, this is a valid number. And if not works, it will show it's number distracting. Scan the next slide. We need to use this scan the next slide after it will show some errors. Okay, maybe I will try that one second. Hopefully there is some how to understand. Okay, I think I understand it, but not good. Create string mirror add numbers from 1 up to the given number. This string mirror. Ah, if it next int at this term, it will say if it's not it is an int or not. And this it will say that you should range it in 1 to 20. That's why we do this. Use string mirror for int I minimum, I smaller number, I plus plus, mirror append I append spaces. Why will you mirror append? Because it's what we do. Append, okay. And option is append spaces also. Print numbers, mirrors to string, trim, mirror to string, replace this with this. I see. That's what we do. Trim from the spaces first and the last. Mirror, we need to change it to string because string mirror we need to change then to string then. Okay, understand. If it's fine. Oh God. Public class mean final int now equal 5. String scanner system main string builder and string builder with map words in page word to string builder first valid in printf. Create the content of the builder where to copy the string builder and he copy I can access the second as the original string builder with the content copy in if there has the same content can be tried equal as well as the equals method. Like string builders actually have implementation of the equals method. Yeah, we can still call it equals method objects to touch builder. This will explain later on. You will class or convert builder to uppercase with using a string class when creating a new string builder. Use an ASCII table. Apple banana lemon Java. Apple banana lemon Java. Banana Java equal false equal results in false uppercase. Oh, okay, print. We just look for this ones. Okay, scan new scanner system and string with new string mirror with the amount of words and appendage words to the string. For int equals 0, I small in amount, I plus plus, enter word percentage d, I plus 1. Each hit, enter word. Okay, see, good. String was in the next line. build append word append spaces. Append is just like adding things in the string. Like we have next and some normal string we have builder, we have append. Content builder dot to string trim, string builder copy, new string builder to string is the string. System run printed copy to string trim. Comparison with quick resource and builder equal copy and builder two equals ignore two equal to string builder equals copy to string builder to string copy to string in the circle braces. Okay, again, I would like to understand it once again. First, we have to like enter for loop. For I is equal 0 into I equals 0, I small amount, I plus plus, enter the word percentage d, and then this is I plus 1 because it starts from then we have skip next line. We have to enter a word, string word, and new dot append word dot append spaces. Print the content of builders, just print like content of the builder to string trim, builder to string and trim in string builder, copy new string builder to string, and then can print out a content copy like content copy to string trim. And then we have to bring layers like builder equal copy or builder to string equals copy to string. Good. For int I equals 0, I is smaller than builder length, I plus plus, char C, builder char at I. If C is greater than A is C smaller than Z, builder set char at I, replace char at I with char at C minus 32. A to is 32 as key. Oh, I from small a to the capital A is 30 minus 32. Like we have A is 1. No, A is 33. Skip the A 0 and A smaller A is 65, for instance, or something like 65. This is one that I not remember, but is it? Okay, we have char C, builder char at I. Okay, at place 0, place 1, place 2, length. If you need to miss one for the whole sentence. Yeah, that's it. And then if it is small is greater than small a and smaller than z, small z, and we replace like set child. Builder we use set child is that string you replace. Set child at I to the child c minus 32. The uppercase so is plus builder to string chain, or we can like it to uppercase. Is it work if we use to uppercase? Can we try this? Rend it. Sorry, guys. Show me this. Okay, just to uppercase. It's better we use to uppercase. It's good to string to uppercase and string. Mm-hmm. It also works with uppercase. Oh, with string we learn to string, but if it is builder only, not to string, it not works. We can test. Run. Back. Cat. Dog. Egg. Yeah, false. It's false. If we don't have two string, it's false. But if we have two string, it's weird. It's okay. It's still fine. Okay, now move on to the final exercises of today. Random seed. Create an object to tell random user to print five random decimals on single and make sure the printer which is two decimal decimal digits. So it's the percentage of 2f. Next, create two new objects type random initialize both of them, which is 6 digit or 10 randoms above. One refer to both inclusive use both objects containing numbers in total. Print the random numbers in while alternating between two random objects. This absolutely not good, not good. When objects have random, print five random decimals, random, five random, um, double, num, next random, mm-hmm. Okay, sorry guys, make sure your printer which two, okay. Create new twin objects terminals initialize both of the seats of 60. I'm tired just look at the answers. Finally, the mount 5. What is this? Scan system. Oh gosh, is that number 11 is wrong? Using the 10. Oh gosh, I do not have the answers of exercise number 11 right now. First, let's just AI do it. I'm so tired, but I can try. I don't have to do this. Okay. For loop. Okay. For five. it should work, I suppose. Is it work? Yeah, it works. Oh, formatted. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Mhm. Okay, and then create two new objects of type random with a seed of 60. Generate numbers between 1 and 42, both values using the objects of 20 number. Print the random numbers while alternating between two random objects. 10 random numbers between 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Initialize problem versus 60. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Just try. It is slower, smaller than 10, obviously. And then with this is int2, random next int 42 as out. God, gosh. Why does it look like it might worse? Oh, it should be fine. Oh, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it works. But okay, it's just this. Okay, and took it first. I'm coming to this. It's fine now. Got it. Have a nice night.